How do Caecilian amphibians give live birth? Imagine a creature that spends most of its life underground, rarely seen, yet has a fascinating way of bringing new life into the world. That's what makes Caecilians so intriguing. These amphibians are part of the group called amphibians, which also includes frogs and salamanders, but Caecilians are quite different. Some of them give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. This process is called viviparity, and it's a clever adaptation to their environment. In these Caecilian species, the eggs don't hatch outside the mother. Instead, the eggs develop inside her body, specifically in her oviducts. The embryos start off feeding on the yolk inside their eggs, just like many other animals. But once the yolk runs out, they need a new way to get nutrients. That's where the mother's body comes in. She produces a special nutrient-rich secretion called uterine milk. This milk is made by glands lining her oviducts and provides a steady food source for the growing young. The tiny embryos have tiny teeth that help them scrape and eat this uterine milk directly from the walls of the oviduct. It's a bit like nursing, but instead of drinking milk from their mother's body, they are feeding on her secretions. This feeding can last for several months, sometimes up to 11 months, depending on the species. During this time, the young grow inside the mother, protected and nourished. Some Caecilian species go even further with their care. After they are born, the young may continue to feed on their mother's skin. The skin is specially adapted to be nutritious and is shed regularly to provide a fresh food source. This skin feeding is a unique way to give extra nourishment during the early stages of life. The reason these Caecilians have evolved to give live birth is likely because laying eggs outside could be risky. Their habitats often have unpredictable or short rainy seasons, which can cause water bodies to dry up quickly. By keeping the young inside and feeding them directly, these amphibians increase the chances that their offspring will survive. So, in simple terms, Caecilian amphibians give live birth by keeping their eggs inside their bodies. The embryos first eat yolk, then feed on uterine milk, and sometimes even on their mother's skin after birth. This method helps them thrive in tough environments and shows how amazing amphibian adaptations can be.